Have you ever wondered how you can make your garden not only a source of joy and beauty, but also a model of sustainability? Sustainable gardening practices are more important now than ever before. One method that has been gaining traction in recent years is permaculture, a system of agricultural and social design centered around simulating or directly utilizing the patterns and features observed in natural ecosystems. There are 12 principles of permaculture, each one carrying a unique approach to sustainable gardening. Firstly, observe and interact encourages us to learn from nature and adapt our practices accordingly. Secondly, catch and store energy. This principle emphasizes the importance of harnessing renewable energy whenever possible. Thirdly, obtain a yield means we should ensure that our gardens are productive, providing us with food, shelter, or any other yield. Fourthly, apply self-regulation and accept feedback urges us to learn from our mistakes and continuously improve. The fifth principle, use and value renewable resources and services, encourages us to utilize resources like the sun, wind, and rain to our benefit. This is followed by produce no waste, which urges us to recycle and compost, turning what might be considered waste into valuable resources. Seventh, design from patterns to details suggests we should look at the bigger picture before focusing on the smaller elements. Eighth, integrate rather than segregate promotes the idea of creating symbiotic relationships within our gardens. The ninth principle, use small and slow solutions, advocates for steady incremental changes. The 10th principle, use and value diversity, encourages us to embrace a variety of plants and animals. 11th, use edges and value the marginal, emphasizes the importance of every part of the ecosystem. Lastly, creatively use and respond to change, teaches us to be adaptable and flexible. By following these principles, we can create productive and sustainable systems that have the stability, diversity, and resilience of natural ecosystems. Permaculture is not just about building a green and sustainable garden, but it's about building a sustainable lifestyle. It encapsulates 12 principles, each contributing to a healthier earth. From observing nature to creatively using resources, these concepts foster a resilient ecosystem. Remember, the earth is our home, and it's our responsibility to care for it. Through permaculture, we can play our part in creating a sustainable future. Permaculture is a journey, not a destination. So why not embark on this journey in your own garden? Witness the magic of sustainable practices unfold. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more gardening wisdom. Happy gardening!